In a numerical simulator, how would we go about simulating a PIN? Well, we would start with the input signal in our simulator. We would have to know what the power is in order to be able to calculate what the noise level was. So I'll put a different path here for our simulator. The simulator would certainly simply raise the signal to the squared, and then it would add to it a additive white Gaussian noise, which is the shot noise, depending on what the instantaneous power was at the instance. And then it would also add to it an additive white Gaussian noise, which was a thermal noise, which is not signal dependent. And then we would go into our electrical filter and do our sampling. Sometimes what we'll do, in this case, we're generating a random process, which is somewhat more difficult. So often what we'll do in a simulator is we'll do something equivalent. We'll take the signal, we'll square it, we'll filter it, and then what we'll do is we'll sample it, and we'll add noise samples. So instead of adding a random process, we'll add some random variables. So we'll still take knowledge of P in, and this knowledge of P in will calculate a random variable, and typically these will be considered an IID sequence. So they're independent due to the use of a filter, which is Nyquist, and gives us independent noise samples. And one will be for shot noise, and one will be for thermal noise.